Imagine unlocking the secrets of logistic regression without writing a single line of code. Intrigued? Join us for a live session where Excel becomes your gateway to understanding this powerful tool. Logistic regression is more than just a mathematical concept. It's a tool used in predicting customer behavior, detecting spam, and so many other applications. Yet for many, it remains a mystery. Let's demystify it together. Discover how Excel can simplify logistic regression. Learn the logic, math, and real-world applications through hands-on exercises. Explore key concepts like the sigmoid function and model performance metrics, all within Excel's familiar interface. This workshop is for business analysts, students, and curious minds. Gain clarity and insight on logistic regression. Join us today, the 11th of June 2025, at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time on Zoom. Receive a free Excel workbook discussed during the session, and let Excel do the math while you focus on insights.